Peacocks are large and majestic birds known for their distinctive bright and colorful feathers, which are used by males during courtship displays to attract females. They are native to South Asia and are commonly found in India, Sri Lanka, and other neighboring countries. Here are some details about the lifestyle and behavior of peacocks. Diet: peacocks are omnivores and primarily feed on seeds, insects, small mammals, reptiles, and small amphibians. Habitat: peacocks are commonly found in forested areas, but they can also be found in grasslands, agricultural fields, and scrublands. Social behavior: peacocks are social birds and often live in small groups or flocks. During the breeding season, males will display their feathers to attract females and establish dominance over other males. Reproduction: peafowl, the term used to refer to both peacocks and peahens, reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. Mating season usually occurs from March to June. After mating, the female lays 3 to 6 eggs and incubates them for around 28 days. Lifespan: in the wild, peafowl can live up to 20 years. However, in captivity, they can live for up to 25 years. Predators: peafowl are vulnerable to predators such as large birds of prey, snakes, and wild cats. Anatomy: peacocks are large birds, with males being significantly larger than females. They can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh up to 13 pounds. Their most distinctive feature is their long, colorful tail feathers, which can be up to 6 feet in length. These feathers are used by males during courtship displays and are shed and regrown annually. Communication: peafowl communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including calls, honks, and screams. They also use body language and visual displays, such as the spreading of their tail feathers, to communicate with each other. Migration: while peafowl are generally sedentary birds, they have been known to undertake short-distance seasonal migrations in search of food and water. Domestication: peafowl have been domesticated for thousands of years and are often kept as ornamental birds in gardens and parks. They are also raised for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Conservation status: peafowl are not currently considered to be an endangered species. However, habitat loss and hunting for their feathers and meat have had a negative impact on some populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve peafowl populations in their native habitats. Varieties: there are 3 species of peafowl: the Indian peafowl, green peafowl, and Congo peafowl. The Indian peafowl is the most commonly known and domesticated species. Human interaction: peacocks have been featured in human culture for thousands of years, and they are often associated with beauty, grace, and spirituality. They have also been kept as pets by royalty and wealthy individuals in different parts of the world. Feeding behavior: peafowl are omnivorous birds and feed on a variety of foods. They use their sharp beaks and claws to forage for seeds, insects, fruits, and small animals. They have a particular affinity for ants, and will often feed on ant larvae and pupae. Predominantly male: while both male and female peafowl are referred to as peafowl, the term peacock specifically refers to the male of the species. This is because the male is the one with the brightly colored feathers and the elaborate courtship display. Peacocks are fascinating and beautiful birds with many unique characteristics and adaptations. Their colorful feathers and elaborate courtship displays have captured the imagination of humans for thousands of years, and they continue to be a source of wonder and inspiration for many people today. Vocalizations: in addition to the honks and screams mentioned earlier, peafowl make a variety of other vocalizations, including chirps, grunts, and purrs. Each call has a different meaning and is used in different social situations. Habitat destruction: peafowl populations have been impacted by habitat destruction and fragmentation caused by human activities such as agriculture, urbanization, and logging. This has led to a decline in their populations in some regions. Human benefits: in addition to their beauty and cultural significance, peafowl provide several benefits to humans. For example, they help control insect populations, such as ticks and ants, and their droppings can be used as fertilizer. Habitat preferences: peafowl prefer habitats with plenty of vegetation and water sources. They are often found near rivers, lakes, and wetlands, where they can find food and shelter. Peacocks are fascinating birds with many unique traits and behaviors. They have captivated humans for thousands of years with their beauty and cultural significance, and they continue to be a source of inspiration and wonder for people around the world today. Peacock feathers. The peacock's feathers are actually not just one color, but rather have tiny crystal-like structures that refract light and create the iridescent effect. This is known as structural coloration and is different from pigment coloration found in most other birds. Longevity. Peafowl can live up to 20 years in the wild and up to 25 years in captivity. Cultural significance. Peafowl have been depicted in art, literature, and folklore from different parts of the world for centuries. They are often associated with beauty, grace, and spirituality, and are considered a symbol of wealth and royalty in some cultures. National bird. The Indian peafowl is the national bird of India, where it is known as the mayur. Flock behavior. Peafowl are social birds and live in flocks or parties. In the wild, they are known to form groups of up to 15 individuals. They are truly fascinating birds with a rich history and cultural significance. The end. Thank you.